In this video, let us discuss regarding the goals of the organization behavior. The main goals of OB are to describe, to understand, to predict, and to control. The first objective of OB is to describe systematically how people behave under a variety of conditions. If the managers can achieve this goal, then they can succeed in communicating about the human behavior at work. So, if we study OB, we must be able to describe how a person behaves when something happens to him, or at a particular point of time, what will be the behavior of a certain person or a group of persons. The second objective of OB is to understand why people behave as they do. It will be highly frustrating for the managers if they see the behavior of their employees. But if they know the reason behind this behavior, this frustration will be over. Thus, the managers have to learn to probe the underlying explanations. They must try to understand what is the reason behind such a behavior of their employee. Only then the communication will be smooth and the managers can know why this person is behaving in this manner. The third objective of OB is to predict the future employee behavior. This is a very important job of the manager because it is to predict how a particular employee will behave in a particular situation. For example, who are the employees who will send their leaves on days which are supposed to be hectic or difficult? Quite often, it is human nature that we take leave on certain days on which something is going to happen, especially on the day of audit, like that. And for students also, there are certain students who take leave during exams and all because they are afraid of exams. So, only if we understand why a person is behaving in a particular manner, then we can predict this person will be absent on this day. And if the managers succeed in this objective, they can take preventive actions. If we know this person is going to be absent on that particular day, we can take preventive actions. And the last objective is to control. At least to some extent, we can control the human behavior. It is not possible to control a human being completely because his individual behavior may be different and his feelings and emotions will be different. But to some extent, we may be able to control his behavior. So the managers have to improve the performance through the actions their employees may take, and this OB can help them in achieving this goal. So, by studying the organization behavior, we must be able to describe the behavior of the human beings in an organization. We must be able to understand why this person is behaving in this manner, and we may be able to predict what is going to be the behavior of this particular person on a particular situation, and we may be able to control the behavior of the human beings in an organization at least to some extent. Hence, these are the goals of OB. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe the channel.